how to create a simple fruit dropping game. You can of course use any objects to drop from the top of the screen. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to paint a floor for my background. So using this tool here, I'm just going to paint a blue floor. There are other ways to do this. You can look at those in other videos, but for now I'm just going to paint a blue floor. And I have my cat, which you can attach some movement to. You can do that yourselves. I'm going to show you how to get some bananas falling from the sky. Just click OK on bananas. Now I'm going to use something called cloning, and what that means is I don't have to create hundreds and hundreds of bananas. The bananas will just clone themselves. So we'll come on to that in a second, but we're going to use this when I start as a clone starting option. And when the game begins, we want to hide the bananas actually, and then we want to make the bananas appear in a random position. So we're going to set the bananas to the following positions. We need to get a green operator, and we're going to pick a random number. Now this random number is between the most left of the screen, which is over here, minus 240, to the most right of the screen, which is over here, at 240. So the bananas will start along the top in a random position, and we're going to put that random green brick into there. Now the Y position needs to be 180, so you can see as I move my mouse along, look what's happening to the Y numbers. The top of the screen here is Y 180, so let's set that to 180. So once the random position has been set, we're then going to show the bananas, and we want to drop the bananas until they hit the blue floor. So I'm going to click on repeat until, touching colour, and I can just click my blue there, so I put the blue in here. And what I want to do is I want to change Y by -10 because I want the bananas to fall out of the sky. So -10. Now you can change the speed of this to random. You could of course have pick random, and you could change it from -1 to -20. So some of the bananas are fast, some of them are slow. You can have a play around with that. Okay, so there's one more thing to do. Now I'm clicking on the stage, so not the bananas or the cat, but the stage, and when the green flag is clicked, I'm going to create 10 sets of bananas. You can of course create as many as you like, perhaps until you can carry on creating them until a timer runs out. And I'm going to create a clone of bananas every 1 second. Now all of my bananas are collecting at the bottom here, so I need to remove those, don't I? Let's have a look at how to do that. Okay, so here the bananas are building up. Let's stop that, and I'm just going to put hide on the bottom here, and then run the program. And as soon as they touch the blue, they hide. I've got this annoying banana here actually, so I'm going to right click on my bananas and hide that one, and run the program again. There you go, you have falling bananas.